Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting based on another cell's value in Google Sheets. First, click and drag to select the range of cells you want to format, for example, A2 to A10. Then, click Format on the top menu and choose Conditional Formatting. In the sidebar that appears on the right, click the drop-down under Format Cells If, and scroll down and click Custom Formula Is. Then, type a formula like this, equals B2 equals double quotation marks, done, and double quotation marks. This example highlights A2 when B2 says done. You can customize your formatting style in the same sidebar. Let's use the default formatting style, then click Done. Google Sheets will now highlight the cells A2 to A10 when their corresponding B columns is done. So, that is how you use conditional formatting based on another cell in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.